Jamaica is such a nice place to live. The inviting countryside, nutritious foods, engaging spirits of our elders. People all over want a taste of our culture. What they don't want is our crime, and neither should we. It just doesn't fit into our liberty. Let's rid this sweet country of ours of this monster that is crippling the growth of individuals and the nation at large. In your corner, if someone commits a crime, speak up. There must be one trusted person you know who you can tell. You may also call the police from a payphone or private number if you don't want to be identified. Consider downloading the Stay Alert app. Via this platform, you can send a picture, text, or video on acts of crime. This crime monster that is eating away at Jamaica must be controlled, and it starts with us. We, the citizens, must take action to protect our communities, schools, and workplaces. Let's unite to ensure crime does not prevent Jamaica from being the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business.